Amazing. Take your hands to your belly. Take a big breath in like you're blowing up a balloon. And as you exhale, breathe out. Make that balloon smaller. Amazing. Take another big breath in. And exhale, breathe out. Amazing work, you guys. Let's transform into ants. Okay, we're gonna be a carpenter ant. This, I want you to step out and make sure your back leg is straight and your front leg is bent. We're gonna be a carpenter ant, so we're gonna build. I want you to reach forward, breathe in, and pull it back, breathe out. A great work, another one. Breathe in, and breathe out. Amazing. Let's do to the other side. Bend your front leg, straighten your back, reach, breathe in, and breathe out. Great, another one. Breathe in, and breathe out. Amazing. Now, transform into a worker ant. Step the feet out wide, reach for the sky and grab some food and bring it down and eat it. Nom, 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 nom. Great work. Another one. Breathe up, reach for that food and breathe out. Eat that food. Yum, 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 yum. One more, lots of energy. Reach for the sky and bring it down to you. Eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Great work, you guys. Step your feet together. We're transforming now into a queen or a king ant. Sit in your chair, your throne, and reach for the sky. Let's take a big breath in and breathe out. Last one. Breathe in, breathe out. Big energy this time. Breathe in, breathe out. Amazing work, you guys. Stand up. Way to stretch.